Morning! Welcome my YouTube channel, Miss Falca. This is my farm to Miss Falca. Good morning. How are you today? Today is just Thursday. Wow, so very nice weather today. Very hot, 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 hot. Good morning. Yeah, this is my farm. Lack of fertilizer, lack of money to go to clean this farm because lack of time to provide to provide. Yeah, this is my flowers and this is the cute flowers. This is my ito ang lilinisin ko today. Yeah, right, my dear. This hoping for you visit in my country. Uh, we enjoy, we meet, and you eat you eat the coconut halo. Yeah, right. And then go the farms hoping for welcome Philippines this coming December 10th of December. You joined my Christmas party and New Year here. I'm waiting for you, my dear.